Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another NFT platform to test by using our Sui wallets. And maybe we can make some profits by providing feedback on their Discord channel. I assume you all are familiar with the process now, but if this is your first time, you should watch our Sui, Aptos and ZK Sync tutorials to learn more about the testnets, airdrops and other events. Also, you can join our Telegram community to ask questions directly and communicate about new projects or other events with the other community members. You can find all the links below this video. Testnets are crucial in the bear market to increase your financial assets because you can earn hundreds or thousands of dollars by minting an NFT or making a transaction on some random decentralized exchange. So far, we have made tens of videos about airdrops and pre-sales. Some of our subscribers have already won from those events. For example, the latest was Aptos for minting an NFT with testnet wallets. You can subscribe to our channels and turn on the notifications to keep up with more videos like this. Now, let's get started. Omnisea is an NFT portal built on the Layer 0 ecosystem. Layer 0 provides multi-chain rollup for blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Aptos and Sui. You can also watch our Layer 0 tutorial to learn more about it. Today, I will focus on how to mint NFTs with the Sui network, but you can comment below if you're interested in the project and I can make a project review for it. Let's continue with how to log in. Here is a profile icon, and once you click on it, you will see various wallet options such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Aptos Wallets, and Sui Wallets. Click on Sui It and then select Sui Wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you can watch our Sui, Aptos, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet tutorials. After connecting your Sui wallet and selecting the Sui testnet, you can click the Create button to mint your first NFT collection on Omnisea. First, you must set a collection name, a background for this collection, and an avatar. After these steps, you can start uploading your files. For example, I will add a few Coin Engineer themed photos here and then set a mint price for this collection. Here it says optional, but it is better if you do it. So set a description and a website for your collection if you have one. If not, you can still type some random things, it doesn't matter. Then you must select the start and end days for your collection. Once you complete those steps, you can continue adjusting your royalty fee, commercial rights, and the NFT category. If you don't know anything about NFTs, you can watch our NFT tutorials. In addition, you can adjust your NFT names and attributes. For example, let's name this one as first and the legendary NFT of this collection with a value of 100. So this one will be the second and rare NFT with a value of 75, and this will be the third uncommon NFT with a value of 50. Again, these are all optional, but it is better if you do them. Last but not least, click on the launch button and it is ready. Later you can see your collections through the profile icon. You can always join their Discord channel and provide feedback about the project to increase your chances for a possible airdrop. You can find the links below this video. As I said in the beginning, Omnisea provides NFT and token bridges for other blockchains such as Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. We currently cannot use it on Sui testnet, but if you're interested, comment below and I will add it to the project review. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.